Okay, now this time just we are going to learn how to take the input from the user. Got my point?
Yeah. Yeah.
See, in this previous example, we have given the values, fixed values, hard coded values. Always it will give you the same output, 20 plus 15, right?
Yeah.
Now this time we are taking these values from user. At runtime, we ask the user enter the values. So user enters
Yeah.
his own values. By using those values, we are doing some operation. This may be addition, division. That depends on the requirement, right? Here our intention is
Yeah.
how to take the input from the end user in console application, right? So as
Yeah.
usual, here I'm adding the main method. Please remember, always main method should have the same syntax: static void main. Okay. So now, what is our intention? We need to take the input from the end user. For that, I'm declaring two variables int a comma b. I'm not giving any values. In previous example, we have given the values directly. Understood?
Yeah.
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 But here we are not giving the values. We are taking these values runtime. For that, what I'm doing here, I am displaying a message to the end user console.writeLine. Step by step, we need to do these things. Enter two values. Whatever you want, you can display here. Right? So then
Yeah.
user will get some idea. Okay, he has to enter two values. Now our goal is we need to read those values and we need to store those values into the variables a and b. First value in a and second value in b.
B.
Right? Got my point? So I am
Yeah.
changing the startup to read values because our class name is reading values. Right? Once you
Yeah.
run, it will show you enter two values. Now user enter like this 15 and something value. Those we need to read. How to
Yeah.
read? To read those values, we have an option. Those are nothing but console.readline method. We have read and readline method. These two methods we have to read the input, right? So
Yeah.
now first we discuss about the difference between these two. So this is read method and this one is about readline method. So what are the differences? We have three differences. Try to understand. The first one is reads single character. Alright.
Yeah.
Now here it reads group of characters. So what is the difference? Suppose here we are asking the user enter some value. Now here I am enter 45. Right?
Yeah.
When you press, so then this read method reads only 4 because it reads only one character now. So what is the first
Yeah.
character in 45? It reads
4.
only 4. So it reads only 4. But this reads total values. So you have given 45, so it reads 45. If it is something, it reads all the values.
Yeah.
That is the first difference. Okay. So
Yeah.
second one reads ASCII value. Okay.
Yeah.
It reads string value. So what is ASCII value? Do you have idea about ASCII value? American
No.
Standard Code for Information Interchange. So for small a it is
Okay.
65. For capital A, it is 93. Like for each and every character, there is
Yeah.
some number, right? So now,
Yeah.
read method reads ASCII value of character. In the sense, when you enter 45, it reads only 4. That is the first one. But whereas coming to the second one, what it reads, instead of reading the 4, it reads the ASCII value of 4. Understood? There is some
Yeah.
value,
Yeah.
some ASCII value for 4. It reads that ASCII value. But whereas coming to
Yeah.
the read line, it reads the string value. What is string value? See here. 4. It is number, right? When you place 4
Yeah.
in single quote, then it is character. Getting my point?
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
number. This is character. Now, if you place
Yeah.
this in double quotes, then it is string.
Yeah.
Understood? So now,
Yeah.
readline method reads 45 like this. Not a number, it is number. But it reads in the format of string format.
String.
Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah, now the third one is returns integer. Returns string. So it reads ASCII value in the sense some 65, 93, something. So that's why it will give you the integer value, this value, right?
Yeah.
Now this method reads string value in the sense it will give you the value like this.
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
So this is the difference between the read and read line. So maximum
Yeah.
always we are going to use read line only
Yeah.
because read line reads all the characters. Understood?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Now that is why very simple how to use the console.read. So I want to store the value into the A. So A equal to make your console.read line, right? In the same way B
Yeah.
equal to console.read line. So we are placing the values into the A and B. Here you can see some error, right? When you place mouse forward
Yeah.
on the error, it will show you some message. See at the last, cannot implicitly convert type string to integer. Are you able to see at the last line? Error, cannot implicitly
Yeah.
convert.
Yeah.
So this is the error we are getting because already here just now we discussed readline returns string value, right?
Yeah.
That string
Yeah.
value we are placing in integer. So here what is the type of A? Integer.
Integer.
Yeah, but you are placing the string value into the integer. It is not possible. Understood?
Yeah.
So in this case what we need to do, it will give you the string format. That string we need to convert into the integer format. Got my point?
Yeah.
So see, to do that one, here we have another class that is nothing but convert class. Convert, right?
Yeah.
So now convert dot. Here, what is convert? Convert also a class like a console application. Sorry, console class. Console is there now. Already we discussed about this one. In the same way,
Yeah.
convert also a class available in system namespace. Where it is available in system namespace.
Yeah.
Understood? Now
Yeah.
it will convert the value which we are giving. Suppose here I'm giving some 45. Okay, try to understand here. Just we are giving in the format of string format. Just observe, this 45 is in string format.
Yeah.
So now this method converts this string format into the integer, right?
Yeah.
So now this time it will not show you any error. Got my point?
Yeah.
Now this value where we are getting from console.readline. See, console.readline reads the method reads the value entered by the user in string format. Understood?
Yeah.
That string format is converting by using this one 2 into 32. What is 32 bit integer? Because already we
Yeah.
discussed integer by default it is 32 bit integer. So this string value we are
Yeah.
converting into the 32 bit integer and placing in variable a.
Yeah.
In the same way, just we are storing here b. Now we have the values in a and b now. Understood how to read the values?
Yeah.
Here, why we are converting? Very simple logic. It returns the string value, so it is integer value. That's why we are converting. Otherwise, no need of
Yeah.
conversion. Understood?
Yeah. Yeah.
If it is string, then no need to convert anything. If we declare a and b
True.
as a string. Okay, here different data types. That's why we need to convert into the respective data type.
Yeah.
Now remaining stuff is the same. Addition of this we can do. So now remove this C. So you can replace this with A plus B. Right? Now run this.
Yeah.
It will ask you enter two values. So just I'm giving 65, then 45. Okay? But
Yeah.
we need to give like this, not like this. 65, then enter. It treated as a value, one value.
Yeah.
Then 45. This is second value. Then it will give you addition of 65 and 45 is 110.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
Now see here, suppose here I'm taking string name. I'm declaring a variable which is type of string. Now after enters the two number, what I will do, I will ask the user enter your name, console.writeline, enter your name, right? Then user enters
Yeah.
the name. That name we need to read like this. Same step, console.readline. Here converting is not required
Yeah.
because here the destination also string type and readline also gives you the string. So no need of any conversion.
Yeah.
So now that you can implement here hello, right? Then
Yeah.
concatenate here the name, right? So now this time
Yeah.
enter two numbers 87 then 97, enter your name, so Karthik. Hello Karthik, addition of 87 and 97 is 184. And
Yeah.
so now we see what are the other methods available in convert class. So convert is a class which has static methods. What is static methods? We are going to learn in future. right?
Yeah.
So here see, 2 into 16 is there. What is 16-bit integer? Short. 2
Yeah.
into 32, it is integer. 2 into 64, it is long. In the sense, if you declare the variables as a long, then you need to convert into the 64-bit. In the same
Yeah.
way, if you want to convert into the date time, then here we have two date time method, right? If you convert into the string, we have two
Yeah.
string method. So in the same way, if you want to convert into the boolean, then also we have the method to bool. This is very simple. It is.
Yeah.
We have a set of methods to convert one data type to another data type. But make sure that always the conversion should be meaningful. So suppose if you are using like this, so convert dot 2 into 32, yeah, it cannot convert because a is not a digit, right? Then it will show
Yeah.
you error. So run this, it will show you error 45, then 89. So some name ABC. After this, it will show you error.
Yeah.
So conversion, no problem, but make sure that the conversion should meaningful, right?
Yeah.
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 So this is all about how to take the input from the end user and converting one data type to another data type. Because in real world, we need to convert. Definitely, we need to convert because the user enters in string format. So depends on the suppose the DOB is there, date of birth. User gives you in string format only. Then you need to convert into the date type. Right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
definitely it is very useful. Please practice all these things. So tomorrow we are going to learn
And
about the next concept, operators. Okay.
yeah, just